Hi everyone, in today's short and simple tutorial we would like to show how you can sign into the Among Us game on your iPhone. So first of all, once you've launched the game, tap on this account option, then sign in. In here you want to, use your Apple ID account, both email and password, in order for you to log into the Among Us game. So let's go ahead and choose the continue with password option. I'll enter my Apple ID password off the screen real quick. Already, now my password is entered, so I'll wait for the game to sign me in. As you can see, after we've logged into the Among Us, we gotta enter our birth date, which I'll do right now. And next we'll sign in into the account once again. Or should I say, choose the option to sign in once again. And in here, it says that we have successfully signed into our Among Us account. Just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.